Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to replace a battery in one of these Ford keyless entry proximity remotes. Now, you're going to need the remote itself, a small flathead screwdriver. This is, what, 4 or 5 mils, something like that. And then the replacement battery itself, which is a CR2032 lithium battery. Now, I've seen quite a few videos showing you how to set these apart on the internet, and they all sort of twist this part. Don't do that. You're just going to scuff it or risk scuffing it, if nothing else. So ping it apart. You don't need the screw. In fact, let me put the screwdriver down. You don't need the screwdriver for this bit. You can take the back off, squeezing these two parts here. Then you can remove the key part just by hand like that. And then you're going to want to take the flathead screwdriver. You're going to insert it in here as far as it'll go. And then as you twist it, so I rotate it clockwise, hopefully you can see. You see that? Ooh, missed. There you go. Second squeezes that part, and then you can just insert it in there and do the same and gently prise it apart until you can get your fingers in nice and easily. And then a little bit of brute force, and I'm going to separate it out. And then it is as simple as pinging out that battery, out with the old, in with the new. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Click it all nicely back together, put the key back in, make sure you put the end in first, press that down. Same with this, that end in first, that end in first, click it down. Job is done. Thanks for watching.